This is the area where you have the most problems.
Oh, yeah. This is Dr. Rummel. She's a chiropractic doctor, and I know that every time I come see her, I have a higher sleep score, which is essential for people with neurological disorders. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, absolutely. So chiropractic adjustments focus on the nervous system. The nervous system controls every single cell in the body. So when we have optimal nerve function, then we would have things like optimal sleep, optimal digestion. Our bodies would just function at their best. And that's what we're trying to do for you.
Yeah, and I have rhomboid issues. So she is gonna do some work on my spine.
Yep.
So here we go.
So we'll check leg length. I'm finding Art's right leg is a little bit short, so I'm going to come up here because that tells me that there's some dysfunction in your pelvis. Then I'm going to come back here and check his leg length, and that looks good there. We are balanced. This is the area where you have the most problems.
Oh, yeah.
It's mid-thoracic area. Some restriction. It's great that you got a massage before you came here.
Oh, yeah.
Super helpful. I'm just going to use some instruments to get those muscles to stay relaxed. Yeah, improved sleep is usually one of the first things people start to notice when they've had chiropractic care.
Yeah, after I see you, my sleep score is in the 90s, and if I don't see you, it's in the 70s.
Wow, that's a drastic difference.
That is a big difference.
They've done quite a few studies too on chiropractic care and heart rate variability. And we know that the greater your heart rate variability, the more your body can deal with any kind of stress. So it's just amazing how you get the nervous system to function better, how much better the body can function overall for you.
Oh, yeah.
But we see that in babies too. We have people well into their 90s that come here.
Well, I'm not living in pain so much.
Yeah, you're doing great. When you think of all that you've been through. Just make sure your legs are still balanced. Good. All right, Art. You're all set.
Well, I'm all done. Like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you.